What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and today we got our hands on UniHertz's new phone, Luna. If you didn't know, UniHertz is a company with the goal to make smartphones that are kind of different. They've made phones like Jelly, which is dubbed as the smallest Android phone back in 2017, and the Titan, an Android 10 smartphone that has a physical QWERTY keyboard. So now we have the Luna. And I don't know about you guys, but it kind of looks like something. Right off the bat, when you see this phone, you might compare it to the Nothing Phone 1 because of the LEDs on the rear panel. But let me tell you, Luna is a heavy one, weighing 298 grams. That's basically 100 grams more than the Nothing Phone 1, or basically the weight of 1.5 Nothing Phone 1s in one phone. Luna is not only larger, but it also has a different camera island than the Nothing Phone 1. The UniHertz Luna has a 6.81-inch IPS LCD display with a 60Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2400 by 1080, resulting in 386 pixels per inch. Even if you don't have an AMOLED display, it still delivers a good enough viewing experience as image quality still looks sharp, and there aren't obvious artifacting either. I mean, honestly, media consumption on this display is more than good enough as it is a pretty good IPS display. For buttons and ports, you can find the volume rocker and power button that doubles as a capacitive fingerprint sensor on the right side, the USB Type-C port, speaker grill, and SIM card tray at the bottom, 3.5mm headphone jack and IR blaster up top, and two customizable macro function buttons on the left side. These buttons can be assigned to shortcut commands or quick access to different apps. It's a heavy smartphone made out of metal, glass, and plastic, with a neat back design that, again, is very reminiscent of the Nothing Phone 1. But just like Nothing Phone 1, it also lights up. You can even customize the colors of the lights through the dedicated widget or app. This app can allow the LEDs to light up depending on the activity of the phone, like having a pattern assigned for notifications. You can also have these light up in different instances, such as listening to music, watching videos, or using the camera. Which leads us to our next segment, the camera setup. The device features a triple camera setup consisting of a 108-megapixel main camera, a 20-megapixel night vision camera, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. It features a 32-megapixel sensor for selfies in front. Is the scene too dark for you? You can always either try the night vision camera that takes photos in the dark in black and white, or use the built-in flash in the camera system, or you can even use the LEDs at the rear panel. Yes, it's doable to use both the flash of the camera and the LEDs while taking a photo. But this does heat the phone up a bit quicker, so take note of that. The UniHertz Luna is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. It's fairly decent when we try playing games on the phone, but it does again noticeably heat up when you do so. Our unit is configured with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of UFS 2.2 internal storage. For those interested in benchmark scores, they should be on screen right now. For software, it runs on Android 12, skinned with some sort of UniHertz software based off the Google One program, and it pretty much feels like stock Android with a bunch of UniHertz bloatware here and there. Giving this phone life is a 5000 mAh battery, and it features 18 watts of fast charging. And so, to conclude this video, we have to talk about price. And for those of you interested, the UniHertz Luna is priced at $299.99, and it's available on UniHertz's official website. And all in all, wala naman basagan ng trip, but I think it's an obvious pass from us. I mean, we could recommend this as a good phone for its adequate display. I mean, it's a fully functioning phone at the end of the day, so there's that. But I don't really think a lot of people will want to be purchasing this device. Number one, It has just, like, what is that? The ratio of the camera module to everything else? It's weird. It's like there should have been space for a bigger camera module that maybe, you know, they cut cost on, but to save budget. So I don't know if I can recommend this to you guys, but I'm pretty sure the writer behind this review also wasn't the biggest fan. Look at this comically placed 3.5mm audio jack at the top. It's like, kind of feels out of place. There's a lot to not like about this phone, but if you were a frugal person and this was the only phone you had, I mean, I wouldn't like say it was a terrible phone. It's an okay phone. It just barely passes. So anyways, why don't you guys let us know what you guys think of the UniHertz LUNA in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit geekatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and this has been the UniHertz LUNA. And I will see you in the next one. It's a heavy smartphone made out of metal and glass.